Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's disco jumpsuit and her whole outfit on Dress to Impress. You don't need VIP except if you want the earrings. Also, I don't know why these shoes are gold. I don't really like the combo, but you know, it's okay. For the hair, I just used this hair in blonde. Then I use this hair in the toggle front, position the Z at 0.7, rotate the X to 0.63 and scaled it to 0.66. For the outfit, it is pretty simple. Grab the shorts in this color, AD9B90 in glitter, and then you're going to get this top in the same glitter color. And then for the pants, we're going to use this without the flower, again in that same color in glitter. Then for the shoes, I just use these ones in gold in silk and gold. And then for the bracelet, I just use this in the same, like, I don't know, gray. Then for the earrings, I did use these, but you can use earrings or not. Then I colored it the same and I kind of like rotated it so you guys can actually like see the earrings a little bit better. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.